Good morning. Welcome back to another trading session. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. Before we start, please know that trading is inherently risky and you can lose all your capital. So please don't take my trades. Trade your own setups, okay? And a personal advice is take your time to learn this thing. All right. With that being said, so this is the drop. Tremendous drop. Oh my God. The report on CPI was ugly. I never expected so bad. Good morning, all. My four loyal subscribers / founders. Ismael, good morning. That's fine, bro. But I think it was not a good trade since the beginning. You were inside the chop. Beto, good morning. Stack. Yes. Thank you, Taurus. Thank you. Thank you. Let's manage our expectations today. The market is dropping no more than 2.9%. Okay? So let's have some expectations here. And I will ask you the question. Can the market drop 6%? Yes, it can. But that is not very likely. Okay? If that happens today, it's a situation that is not very common. Okay? So I want to have expectation of how my trading is going to be today. And I do think it's going to be, at the end of the day, a trending day, obviously to the downside. But I want some retracement for me to execute. Okay? I want some people covering their shorts so the price goes up a little bit and I can short this thing. Okay? I don't want to take a breakout to the downside. The market is already gone. The ATR extension lines are already broken by 130 points, at least in the NQ. Okay? That means that statistically speaking, this thing has a probability of a reversal, right? I won't try a long because the momentum is obviously to the downside, right? Like I said, I want some retracement, a formations created in real time. I will rely on price action, internals, the dollar, and everything combined. Then we will take the short, okay? I have the entire day to look for my setup and take the one good trade that I need today, okay? Rich, welcome back. Welcome back, buddy, okay? Let's do this in a very systematic manner, very disciplined. Let's wait for the setup, okay? I don't want to just jump in happily into the short because I can get squeezed, okay? So this is my main, this is the 7-minute NQ futures chart, and here's the 3-minute NQ futures chart, okay? I'm gonna go to the 500 volume bar. This is my main chart where I trade from. And let's set the risk for today. I want to put like 1.2%. That would be like $250. No, $260, $265, okay? Per trade. This is just my personal account. I will be mirroring this into other accounts. By the way, Taurus, I got the Replicanto. I was trying it yesterday. I know George's my friend. My buddy used it for the algos. But I bought it yesterday and I think it works pretty nicely. All right, so we're hovering around the overnight low. Yo, it's pretty good. I tell you. I got another computer here and I'm watching the order when it's mirroring and it's instantaneously. It's like I was clicking the other computer though. Remember, if this thing just keep dropping, I will not be in this trade and I will not be mad at me because I didn't take the trade, okay? I want a high probability, high expectancy trade. In reality, that's all you need. Just one good trade a day. Some traders argue that the more trades you take, the best is for your risk to be spreaded among trades. And if you fail one trade, then you will have a negative day. I don't think that's the case for me. I want the setup, execute. If it makes money, fine. If it doesn't, it is just 1 hour. Okay, I'm not gonna die, and my my account is not gonna suffer because I lose a trade. No, look. To pass the evaluations is a completely different game. It's a completely different game. That's why um I wouldn't do a challenge on the evaluations because your risk management has to be a lot more aggressive, right? And your trading and your trailing stop. And there are certain rules that don't apply here in my real money account, right? I don't have a drawdown threshold, right? If I lose a trade, my threshold is going to be whatever the account is, right? So I'm not worried about that. Remember, the other day, Monday, I was trading my funded account, which is new still, and my threshold is moving. I was scaling out on my other account while my trader was working in my real account. Okay? So yeah, it's different. It's completely different. Yes, Rich, I think it can be a very good resource for you. Um, for any trader. For any trader. Let me see if I can put some more light here. There we go. Still hovering right there. Let's go check on the dollar. What time is it? 35. So we still have 3 more minutes for the volume. All right. So look at this. The dollar came to my demand that we put on the pre-market and is hovering above that demand. Okay. I really like to see the dollar. Look, this is the demand that we had. Right. I would like to see the dollar ideally here. Right. When I am shorting this thing. You see that? So this is the 5-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute so you can see that we came to this area and now we're retracing, right? We haven't broken these highs, okay? So I do think the dollar fundamentally has more room to go up. Nothing has changed. Fundamentally, I think the dollar has a lot more room to keep going up. Until the Fed does not pivot, I think the dollar will continue its uptrend. I was really surprised with the CPI report. I never expected so bad. So the high on the 10-year yield is 408, 408. Those are levels from 2008. So if you see the ES, all of them are equally weak. I would say like the RTY is a bit weaker as of right now, but the NQ is the one dropping the most, like 3.10%. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? You see how the breakout is not working every time, and it might work later, right? But every time it goes through the overnight low, it bounces back up. So they're consolidating here, accumulating shorts or buying. Who knows? It's consolidating right here. Tick chart opened up obviously extremely negative. Now we're back in like middle ground. The ADQD has limited space to the downside. It is a minus 2,700. Okay. $39. Let's go see the volume. Actually, this candle is 30. Yeah, obviously volume is a lot higher today, especially with the news. But the news was extremely high. I would say like 30 to 40% higher than the opening candle. I want to have the VIX close here too. Finally, the VIX looks like it wants to continue its uptrend. All right, so I start to feel the tick chart coming to the minus 700 and bouncing back up. That's every time this thing breaks to the downside is and tick chart is right there, is coming back up. Okay. I do not have any reversal as of yet. Dollar is consolidating. $772. Look, the first pivot on the breakout for the CPI news is 10,768. So this thing has to recover 200 points to reach to that level. all I have here is overnight. So if I would have taken something overnight, it would be somewhere around here. It is a huge area though. It's too big. Look, 100 points. It's outrageous. Let's go see this one though. 600. That's good, MB. So this type of price action is expected, right? After you have a 3% drop. Buyers are going to be there. There are a lot of people that leave their orders right there, sitting there. If the market drops, they're going to be filled in. So some support there at 10,500. If you see the VIX chart, tells me that people are skeptical that the market will drop. People, in reality, they don't think the market could drop 40-50% this year. We have midterms. Historically, the market rallies on a midterm year. We haven't seen any reaction this year. Yeah. If you are a scalper and you have some trades within this chop, fine. But I don't have any opportunities here. I need the breakout to the upside, and I am not very happy with taking a long today. Although this thing is holding, the momentum is still negative. If we have a reversal and we have an opportunity, then we will take it. But for now, not for me. I'm just looking for a normal retracement to get prices higher so I can short this thing. And we will have at some point, we will have some divergence on the tick chart. If we don't have the tick chart divergence and the dollar in demand, then we won't take a trade. That's what I want. I want some short covering. I'm gonna put an alert here so I am aware of what the dollar's doing. All right, so the dollar is back inside the demand. It's not the first time, it's the third time today. Let's see if we can have some push from there. Tick chart is still pushing higher. Yes, but manage your expectations, Stack. The market already dropped 3%. How much can it drop? Yes, it can drop 5-6%. I have seen it drop 10% in a day during the pandemic, but is that something that happens easily? It's not, right? So you have to manage your expectations. You need some retracement if you want to short. If you want to take the long, then fine. But I don't have the long yet, right? All right, so ADQD is doing its thing. Is recovering a little bit. That's good. Tick chart is still pushing higher. Tick chart still pushing higher. 1 and 30 minutes for the 7-minute. We don't have any other news, right? Let's go here. Economic news. We have crude oil inventories at 11. Natural gas storage at 10:45. Sorry, 10:30. And then yeah, 4-week, 8-week bill auction and 30-year bond. Federal budget. We don't know when that is coming out. All right, so we blew the demand that we had in the dollar. Okay, we blew through it at this point. I do think any area on the dollar can work to the upside up to these 112.85. Okay, I want to watch the dollar. I don't want to lose sight. Short setup. I don't have any short setup as of yet. I rather the short than the long, but still unfolding. Okay. See what I got here. Yeah, we got to the 600 and rejecting a little bit. Yeah, mine starts at 600 and it's 50 points, right? Obviously, I'm not going to take a 50-point supply. But anywhere here, if it start to create some double tops or supply zones, I could take that. ADQD is breathing a little bit. All right, tick chart, still not diverging. So probably 600 is not the one. Because the other one that I have is this one. I don't like it too much because it's overlapping. These wicks are overlapping each other. I don't like this too much, but could be this one, 680, 764. Yeah, the 600 is still not. Yeah, that makes sense. The view up will put some pressure. Nothing yet. You can live with 82 points, stars. You can make any lifestyle with those 82 points. Don't complain, bro. I think that's good. 82 points is a good trade. So you got out at 582. Yeah, no, it's right there. 50 more points. Now, this drop on the drop on the CPI that happened in 1 minute basically does not provide any sort of supply, right? I do have this area on the 500 volume bar. I have no breaks on the, not even the 1 minute, right? So these supplies are not very reliable. I need something to be created real time here, so I can just rely on that. And you figure for me to risk this, I need to go for a 3-to-1. This thing must drop 150 points for me to profit this trade. It's too much. I need to narrow this thing. All right, so we finally have a high here on the tick chart. If we continue to the upside, but we don't break the high here on the tick chart, I think that's where our short is going to be. Let's go see the dollar. The dollar is sideways right there. Wow. Yeah. Nice. 900 points. Good. Yes. Taking care of your account is a priority, right? Your first priority in trading is to not lose money, right? If you're gonna lose money, it has to be within your rules. Protect your account. That's it for me. Let's go see the dollar. The dollar is giving up some of its gains. I understand that. Don't get fooled by your own thoughts. If you have good money, you don't have any setup, just give it up. Oh my god, what happened here? Oh, I think I have a power outage. I think my power is out. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm out of power, guys. I don't know why. I'm out of power. My computer is running on the battery. I think I have 10 minutes. If it doesn't come back, I'll have to close the live stream. Yeah. Yeah, my both computers are running on the battery. That's weird. Yeah, everything is now running on the battery. I definitely will not be taking any trade until the power is back on. Yeah. Yeah, I got 10 minutes. That is crazy. No, I have a battery backup for all my computers. So if one runs, if I get out of power, if you guys hear the beeping on the background, that's the battery. Yeah, that's the battery. It just has 9 minutes. I hope this thing comes on. I want to trade. You're watching at it. You're watching at it here. Here. You guys see? Realize P&L. If you don't see it there, you will see it here. I do show my P&L live. This is my real account. It's no funded account. This is my money. Jeremy, you can go watch my live streams. They have links to the trade, so you don't have to watch 3 hours of video. you can go straight to the trades. What the fuck? No worries. No. It's fine. It's all good. All right. It says 6 minutes. If power doesn't comes on in 6 minutes, guys, like in 3 or 4 minutes, I will have to close this thing. Thank you, Stack. Oh, fuck. All right, we are having some divergence here. Yeah, MBE wants to push up, but this thing is gonna die. All right. Before I leave, I do have some divergence on the tick chart, and it's coming to the 680 supply. Okay, but I'm gonna have to close the live stream. My computer is gonna shut down at any time. Okay. All right, guys. This is very sad. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. Sorry about this. Thank you, guys.